So let's go over acupuncture point, small intestine 8. This is a great point for treating golfer's elbow. Small intestine 8 is located in the depression between the olecranon of the ulna and the medial epicondyle of the humerus when the elbow is flexed. So we take this point here, come in just a little bit there, flex the elbow right down. You feel that right there?
Yes.
Quite a bit. So in traditional Chinese medicine, this particular point is known for its ability to resolve pain and tension in the elbow and is often used for neurological conditions and for problems in the upper extremities. In terms of musculoskeletal conditions, this can be used to alleviate general elbow pain, golfer's elbow, or otherwise medial epicondylitis, and numbness or tingling in the arm and hand, improving overall function. We're getting pretty close here to so we're going to move this around clockwise. You okay?
Yeah.
Is that zinging down the arm or
a little zing?
a little bit? Won't go too crazy on this then. And we're going to go clockwise, counterclockwise. But we're going to get in there and kind of move it around a bit too. We think of someone experiencing elbow pain. Quite often we get on the common flexor tendon in the area. We just come over a bit from that and be a little more precise in the area. These areas have thickenings of fascia or connective tissue, so we have a lot of neurological receptors in the area. Obviously, we would not be working on this area in individuals with severe elbow injuries or severe inflammation. In Chinese medicine, they often talk about clearing heat. So if they talk about clearing heat, what they're actually saying is they're reducing inflammation in the body. So in terms of actually Western medicine, this would be akin to using anti-inflammatory treatments to reduce inflammation. And it's actually can be quite effective. You okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Is it as tender as it was?
No, not at all.
Not at all. Okay. I've also mentioned how they do not differentiate between the mental states and the physical conditions. So in Western terms, this point would be used for also treating anxiety, stress, insomnia, and just general agitation. Good. So use this for 30 seconds to 3 minutes, small intestine 8.